Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to install the lnGardener Wordpress theme. As you can see, we are already here on this theme demo, and this is the home page of the theme. And there you have different sections. The first one is header that has the logo, and below that you have the navigation menu here, and then below that you have this slider revolution slider, created slider here, and then you have this introduction section here that has the author's image here, and then the author's name is here, and then you have the business tagline here that you can replace with your own text, and then you have this main headline here, and below that you have the introduction text content, and you can replace with your own in the theme option panel. I'll be showing you how to do that. And below that you have these two call to action buttons. The first one is request a quote, which is linked to your contact page, and the next one is your call and then your phone number. So I'll be showing you guys how to set up these two buttons over here. And then the next section below that you have is the gardening and landscaping services. This is basically a custom post type for services, and there you have these different service types. The first one is landscaping, fencing, paving, flower gardening, and so on. You can obviously change it with your own service types. For instance, if the gardener is offering different service types, you can create different pages for that and then show them here. I'll be showing you how to do that in a different section, in a different video. Sorry, I'll be doing a separate video for services page setup. So in that we'll learn how to set up these different service types pages, and below that you have this section that says what makes us special, and then you have this section here with text content. You can replace that with your own, and next to it you have another image of the author or the gardener, and below that you have this call to action section here that says call us, call the number for more information, or make an appointment. So you can change it or replace it with your own call to action text. I'll be showing you how to set up this part in the theme option panel. The next part is the footer widget area. There are 4 different footer widgets. The first one is this about the author or the gardener part here, and then next to it you have these different widgets. You can obviously have your own customized widgets or different types of widgets that you can show them here. We'll learn how to set up that in the later part of this video. And then you have this main footer section that has a copyright text, and below that you have these social icons that will be linked to your social media pages. Alright, so this is pretty much it, guys. This is the home page, and in this video we'll be learning how to set up this part. So to begin with, you'll have to install the theme, and then you have to install 3 main plugins. For that we'll go to your dashboard, and then firstly we'll install the theme. For that, go to appearance, and then click on themes, and then click on add new and upload theme. Choose file, and then go to the downloaded folder that you have got after your purchase of for me it's on my desktop area. There you go, lnGardener theme, and then in that you have this folder here, the last one that says WordPress theme files. Click on that, and then you have the main theme file. Select that and install now. Okay, so now click on activate. Alright, so the theme is now activated. So the theme is activated. Now we have to install the plugins. For that, we actually use 3 different plugins with this theme that are required to make the theme work properly. The first one is contact form 7, and then the next one is a WP page navi for a pagination, and then the last one is the revolution slider for the home page slider creation. Alright, so we'll quickly install all 3 of them one by one. For that, go to plugins and then click add new. and then click upload plugin, choose file, and then the downloaded theme folder should be having a separate plugins folder. uh, from there you can upload all the 3 plugins. So there you go. It says required plugin folder. Click on that and then select contact form 7.4.3.1 version. Okay, so now we'll just click on install now. Plugin is now uploaded. You can activate it. Okay, so the contact form 7 plugin is now activated. We'll quickly go to the second one, which is the page navigation plugin. Again, upload, choose file, and then you have this wp dash page navi 2.89.1.zip file. Select that, click on install now, and activate it. Okay, so the page navigation plugin is also installed. So we'll now install the revolution slider one. Again, upload, choose file, and then click this second one, which is the ref slider.zip file. Open it and then install now. This plugin is a bit heavy. It may take some time because it is 5 MB file, and some of you may also see a PHP upload error. So if you guys see that, you will have to upload it manually with an FTP software, and then you can activate it in the dashboard area here. Alright, so all the 3 plugins are now installed. So the basic setup is done, and now we have to create the home page. So to set up the home page, as you can see in the theme demo, you have to go to the dashboard and then create a new page, pages, and then add new. Here you can enter the title of the home page. I'll just name it as home, and then next section is the content editor. I'll just leave it blank, and then you have to go to this right hand side section that says page attributes, and in that you have this template. You have to select the home page template, select that, and then click publish. Alright, so the home page is now set up. Now we have to assign it as a static front page. For that you have to go to settings and then reading, and there you have this option that says front page displays your latest post. We have to show the static page, so we'll select a static page, and then in the front page section, in the drop down menu, you can select as home and then save changes. So the home page should be showing now. We'll just quickly take a look at the home page. There you go. So the home page is now set up, but it is looking a bit messed up right now because we have not set up the different sections in the theme option panels. As you can see, the logo file is missing, the navigation menu is not set up properly, and all these different sections are a bit messy. So we'll learn how to set up all these sections. As you can see in the theme demo, we'll learn how to set up all these parts. Alright, so the first one is the logo. We'll learn how to install the logo file. For that, go to your dashboard and then appearance and then theme options. There you go. The first section is for logo and revolution slider. So we'll have to upload our logo image file. For that, you can click on this plus button over here. It will show you the media upload section, and there you can upload the logo file. Alright, so I'll just click on select files. I already have the logo downloaded. It is on my desktop, so just select that, open, and then click on use this image, and then click save changes. So we'll just take a look at it, how it looks on the home page. Refresh it and see. There you go. So the logo is now set up here. Now the next part is this navigation menu. To set up this navigation menu, you have to go to your appearance and then menus. I already have this menu created, and I'll just show you guys how to create a new menu and add different pages to it. So for that, click on create a new menu. You can name it anything you want. I'll just name it as menu 3, and then click create menu. And then you have to add different pages to it. For that, you can add different posts, custom links, categories, and pages. The reason why there are no posts, custom links, or categories or pages shown over here is because you don't have any other pages set up as yet. So as soon as you'll start adding those pages here, then they will be start showing here. Alright, so for this tutorial purpose, I'll just show you guys how to add a custom link. For instance, I'll just you can enter the external URL here, or whatever the URL is. I'll just use a hashtag, and then I'll name it as about us, and then click add menu. Alright, so the about us page is now added here. I'll quickly add another menu item, and name it as home. Click add to menu, and it is showing here now. You can drag it up if you want, so accordingly. And I'll quickly add one more, services, add menu, and then I'll again add one more, which is projects. Click on add menu. Alright, so the basic menu is now set up. As you can see on the theme demo, there are different menu items: about us, services, projects, gallery, testimonials, blog, contact, shop, and my account. And so once you have created all those pages, they will be shown here, and from here you can select them and add them to this menu. Once they are added here, you can go to theme locations and then select primary, and then save menu. So it should be showing on the home page now. Let's see. There you go. So the menu is showing here now. First link is home, about us, services, and projects. Alright guys, so the logo section is now done, and the navigation menu is also set up. Now the next part is the revolution slider. For this, we have already installed the revolution slider plugin. Now we have to create a new slider. To create a new slider, you can go to slider revolution plugin here, and there you have all these options. You can create a new slider, and you can also import a slider, which if you have created earlier and you want to import that, you can do that here. But with the theme file, we have already provided you an import file that you can import and use it with your theme. So for that, you can click on import slider. First I have to delete this one, which is already imported by me for other tutorials, so I'll just delete it. Alright, so it is deleted now. Now I will go back and click on import slider and choose file, and then go to your downloaded theme folder, which is this one, and then go to your this folder that says revolution slider dash demo slides. Click on that, and then select this file, and then click on import slider. Alright, so the slider is now imported. As you can see, you can click on it, and then go to slider settings, and then in the second section here that says slider title and shortcode, you have this shortcode over here. You have to copy it and then go back to appearance and theme options, and then in the first section you have this revolution slider field. In this field you have to paste this shortcode that you have copied, paste it here, and then save changes. So the imported slider should be showing on the home page now. There you go. So the slider is now working. As you can see, this is the first slide, and then after this it will load the other slide. This is the second slide, and then the third slide will be loaded. Alright, so the revolution slider is now set up. As you can see on the theme demo page here. The next section is about this introduction section that has this author image, author name, business tagline, headline, introduction text content, and then these two call to action buttons. So we'll quickly set up this part in this video, and then in the next video we'll be learning about these sections below. So we'll just set up this part. For this, go to your dashboard and go to appearance and theme options, and then you have the section home section 1 here. There you have the first field that says author photo. So for this demo tutorial demo, I'll quickly download this image from the theme demo just to show you guys how it works. I'll just save it on desktop and then go back to your theme option page, and then home section 1, and then you can click on this plus button and upload the image. Alright, so the image is now uploaded. Click on use this image, and this image should be showing here. The recommended size of this image is 330 pixels into 330 pixel. It's a square, and this is the recommended size. If you want to show a bigger image, you can also do that, but just to maintain the standards of the design, I'll recommend using a file that is 330 pixel into 330 pixel into 330 pixel in width and height. And once the image is uploaded, you can click on save changes. So this image should be showing on the home page now. We'll refresh and see how it works, how it looks. Alright, so the image is now showing here. The next part is the author name. I'll just quickly copy it and then go to your theme options, appearance, theme options, home section 1, and then below this image you have this field over here that is author's name. Paste that author's name here, and then the next part is the business tagline. Copy that and then paste that business tagline here, author tagline. Okay, and then you have this main heading here. Copy that and then paste it here, and then below that you have this description text field area where you can put this introduction content. Copy that and then paste it here. You have to insert a p tag just to show it in a paragraph. So you have to enter this code here that is the p tag, and then wrap it with the closed p tag. I'll just quickly copy it, paste it here, and then copy this one, paste it here, and paste it here. So what it will do is it will show the text in a paragraph, in different paragraphs, which will look exactly like this. And if you don't put this p tag, which should be done, if you won't use these HTML p tags, paragraph tags, then it will look a bit messy. So I'll just quickly show you guys how it will look if you don't add this tag. I'll click on save changes and show you guys here. As you can see, it is a bit messy. It is not showing in the paragraphs, so that is why you have to add the p tag. So I'll just quickly add them here. I'll copy it and paste them here. Alright, so it's done, I'll just click on save changes and see how it shows now. So it is showing correctly now here. Alright, so the next section is these two call to action buttons. The first one is request a code, and the other one is the telephone number, the phone number. So for this you have to go to your theme options page and then home section 1, and then go to the bottom part of it, and then you have this request code button section here. Here you can enter the URL of your contact page that you will be creating later on. So just to show you guys, I'll just copy the contact URL and paste it here, and then in this call us button field you can put your phone number here. I'll just copy it from here and paste it here. You can replace it with your own number and then save changes. I'll refresh it and show you how it looks. There you go. So this introduction section is now properly set up. You have this request a code button which is linked to the contact page, and then you have this call us button with your phone number. Alright guys, this is pretty much in this video. We have learned how to set up the logo, the navigation menu, and the revolution slider, and then this introduction section setup in this video. And in the next video we'll be learning how to set up the gardening and landscaping section, and what makes a special section. And then we have this call to action section here, footer widgets, and then the main footer area. We'll learn how to set up all these sections in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching guys.